Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to give someone access to your DreamHost or your WordPress through DreamHost. So first of all, if you want to give access for FTP files, you can go ahead here as FTP users and files and create a new user and give that login info to the person you want. This is the option 1. Another option would be to give access for your WordPress. So you want to go ahead and click on WordPress on your site and you will be redirected to this page where you want to click on users right there and add a new user. And from here you will create a new user with a specific password. So you want to choose a role, for example, editor. If you want to give them access as an editor, you can give them a username, email, and first name, last name, and so on and so forth. And like so, you will have given the access to a new user for your WordPress site, and they can edit it maybe for you, and so on and so forth. After that, you can actually delete a user from here, so they wouldn't have access anymore. And yeah, so if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.